In monsoon season, many of you people must be facing the problem of bed bugs, especially by those patients who are frequent travelers, who stay more oftenly in hotels, motels, or who are staying in PGs or dormitories where the number of people is staying and their turnover is very high. Now, this bed bug is a very small insect, only 5 to 15 millimeter in diameter, red brown in color, or their eggs are translucent. These bed bugs do not travel on human, but they can easily travel in bed, luggage, clothing, or in woods. That's why they're mostly found in mattresses or wood cracks of the furniture. Now these bed bugs cannot fly or jump, but they can feed on the human blood once or twice in a week in the night, and once they are fed, they can walk or run at the pace of an ant. Now this bedbug dermatitis usually present as red, itchy, bumpy lesion in a linear pattern or in a clustered pattern, oftenly on the exposed areas of the body, like on the face, neck, arms, hands, or on the legs. And sometimes in severe, a reaction can develop like itching, blisters, hives, or anaphylactic reaction. You should consult a dermatologist, and usually a steroid cream application, moisturizer application, antihistamine tablets along with elimination of bedbug from your room will help a lot in bedbug dermatitis. Now how will you will get rid of this bedbug? You should declutter your room and try to find out these bed bugs and dispose them in a tightly sealed plastic bag to a distant place, or you can use a vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter, which will also dispose these bed bugs easily away. You should cover your mattress in a tightly sealed bag for over a year. These bed bugs usually die at very high temperature at 60 degrees Celsius, so try to keep your mattress or clothes in sun for at least 4 to 5 hours, or you can use steam cleaning or press. Try to cover your wood cracks of the furniture or wall cracks with diatomaceous earth or with boric acid, which will dehydrate these bed bugs and they will die. Or you can call a pest control guy, and these pest control guys will use chemicals like pyrrole or pyrethroids or neonicotinoid, which will kill and eliminate these bed bugs immediately. Although these bed bugs can easily die at cold temperature below minus 15 degrees Celsius, but it is very difficult to maintain.